In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use same character in Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your mobile device. Once you're inside the app, look for the Generate option and tap on it. This will take you to the main creation screen, where you can begin setting up your image. Next, tap on the prompt area. This is where you'll eventually describe what you want Leonardo AI to create. Before typing your prompt, go ahead and tap on Add Image. This step is important because it lets you bring in a reference image to help keep your character consistent across generations. After that, choose Library Generation. This will open your previously generated images, so you can select an image that already contains the character you want to reuse. Tap on the image you want to work with. Once you select it, you'll see two options: Style Reference and Content Reference. Style reference is useful if you want Leonardo to follow the overall visual style of the image, such as the lighting, colors, or artistic look. Content reference is the better choice if your goal is to keep the actual character design more consistent. Choose the option that best fits the result you want. Now start typing your prompt. Be as clear as possible about the new scene, pose, outfit, background, or mood you want, while still keeping the same character in mind. Then generate the image. After that, tap on the settings icon to customize the generation. Here, you can choose the image quality, set the image dimensions, and decide how many generations you want Leonardo to create at once. Higher quality may give better results, while generating multiple images can give you more options to choose from. When everything looks good, tap Done or OK, then start the generation again. That's it. This is a simple way to reuse the same character in Leonardo AI Mobile and get more consistent results in your creations.